Okay, today you guys, we're back with another mega tea, and today we're going to make a cherry limeade, which is one of my personal favorites, especially in summertime right now. And to make this, what we're gonna use is we're gonna use our lemon herbal tea concentrate, which is a part of my everyday life. I can't even start my day without this stuff. It feels so good. And we're also going to use a lime liftoff by Herbalife. This is loaded with vitamin C, you guys. It's got biotin, ginseng, all kinds of great things in there for you. L-arginine, all kinds of stuff. But it also tastes great. It makes you feel like a rock star. And we're going to also use some of our sugar-free cherry drink flavoring mix. And you see I got this one at Walmart. There's all kinds of brands and you can get it in all kinds of places, but we're gonna use half of one of these sticks today. So what we're gonna do to start is we're going to put, actually first we're going to crush up our liftoff, because these come in a tablet, kind of like an effervescent tablet, a little bit like a Tums or something like that. And so what I do is I just take a spoon or I whack it on the side of the countertop, but I'm gonna crush this up to make a powder so it dissolves a lot faster for us. And we're gonna put this in the bottom of our cup. And we're also going to put 1 serving of the herbal tea concentrate in there, which is 1/2 of a teaspoon. And then we're gonna put just a little bit of, warm water. So we have just a couple of inches, 1.5 inches or so of water at the bottom of our cup. And to make sure that it stays pretty, I'm just gonna wipe this out because we're gonna layer the colors. We're gonna layer the colors in here. So it's gonna start with this green color at the bottom and have red at the top. It's gonna be so pretty. So while this is dissolving in another cup, I'm going to take, and this has about 4 ounces of water, just under 4 ounces. And I've already used half of this drink packet, so I'm gonna pour the other half in here. And now, one of the secrets, you guys, to keeping the colors separated is to have lots and lots of really finely crushed ice. So I'm going to, what I do is I just take some ice either from my freezer or from a bag from the grocery store, and I just put it in a Ziploc bag. And usually I just take a hammer and I crush it up on the floor or outside. And that's what I did today. So now what we're gonna do is just fill this glass all the way up with ice. Okay, so now we're all the way full. I'm gonna put a little bit more water in here to bring this up just a little. Also, you guys, one of the other secrets of keeping the colors separated is pouring slowly. So now I'm gonna take and pour this colorful stuff very slowly over that crushed ice. And voila, there you go.